I want you to go to the back of the packet and grab this piece of paper that says my name in fractions. Now, before you write anything on this piece of paper, I want you to listen to my instructions carefully. We are going to be displaying this piece of paper in the hallway, so I want it to be nice and pretty and neat. And I want your name to be nice and pretty and neat. You are only going to be writing your first name in this little box here. And if you would like to, you may decorate it a little bit. I want to still be able to understand what your name is, but if you want to add some cool colors to your name, if you want to add a flower to your name, if you want to, draw a little dinosaur in the corner, that's cool. That's fine. I don't want you to take more than 5 minutes to draw your name, though. This isn't a whole hour activity, just like a 5-minute project. But I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to put my name up in the box and we'll discuss the next steps past your name writing. Okay, so I have written my name in the box. It's colorful, it's pretty, you can tell what it is still. Now, after we look at our name, we're going to count how many letters are in our name. We're going to make a denominator for a fraction. So my name has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. Now you will write down whatever the amount is for your first name only. Your first name only. So let me write an 8. 8 letters. The next step I need to do is decide how many of my letters are vowels. Now vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and then a Y if your Y makes a vowel sound. Okay, so vowels. I have an A and a U, so I have 2 vowels in my name. This is where we are going to write a fraction. Okay, if 2 vowels are in my name out of how many letters? 8. 2 eighths. 2 eighths of the letters are vowels. Now we go to the consonants. The consonants are all of the other letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of how many? 6 eighths of my letters are consonants. Okay, so we just made a fraction. We made 2 fractions. We made a fraction out of our vowels and we made a fraction out of our consonants. Notice how the denominator stayed the same because the amount of my letters did not change. But I was considering different parts of my fraction. So my numerator did change. So this is what you're going to do with your name. Write out how many letters it has. Make a fraction out of your vowels. Make a fraction out of your consonants. Your name should be nice and pretty and neat. And if you want to, spend 5 minutes at the most decorating it. Okay. If you want to, your paper is actually going to be in black and white. So if you want to color in the little banner above, you can do that. But like I said, make it a quick activity. When you're done, please put your supplies up, your crayons up. I'm sorry I forgot to tell you at the beginning to grab some crayons, colored pencils. I'm sure you would have figured that out by now. But make sure those are cleaned up and this paper is handed in the pathway section.